Hello and welcome to our site magnumdirectory.com. Now when it comes to getting traffic, of course everybody knows, especially experienced marketers knows, that one of the best ways to do that is to submit your websites or your articles to directory sites, website directory sites. And of course with magnumdirectory.com, this is one of the best ways that you can do that as far as getting traffic to your website or your blog. And of course you will see from this site that we have several different aspects that you can go about getting traffic to your sites or your blogs. And as an example, as you can see here, you can submit to websites. You can submit websites themselves. You can submit articles themselves. And of course, you can also submit to have downloads as well too. And of course, even smart marketers knows that when it comes to doing your marketing, not only can you get lots of traffic and backlinks from doing website submission and also article submission, but you can also get lots of traffic as well from submitting things like games and software and things of that nature as well too. So when it comes to getting your traffic to your websites and your blogs, there's, as you can see here, many different aspects you can go about as far as getting that accomplished. So I want to go ahead and give you a overview of what this site looks like and how this actually works. As you can see here, this is what the page looks like when you submit your website to the directory. And you can see here we have a full set of tools that you can use when it comes to submitting your websites to this directory. And you will also find too that we also have different aspects as far as, to give you an example, that you can get credits toward getting even more advertising as well by simply showing this page, or also simply having somebody register to this page as well too. So therefore we have different aspects and different qualities as far as getting more traffic to your site that you can look at as far as on our website. As you can see too, you will see here at the bottom a full range of different aspects you can go about too that's going to help you navigate around the site as far as your account itself, how you can upgrade different settings, also your mailbox as well, and of course directory as far as what you can view, how you can create new items and so forth. You'll see here at the bottom that we have many different categories that you can look at as far as being able to navigate around the site. And in other words, the site is very user friendly when it comes to getting the job done, when it comes to submitting your websites and your articles and so forth. Now moving on here, I want to go ahead and show you what this page looks like as far as the article itself too. And also as well, you will notice that when it comes to the articles, you are able to also rate the articles, of course, that you have on this site. And of course, if you submit your own your own article, people can also rate your articles as well too. You will see pretty soon, as soon as you start getting traffic to your sites, that a lot of times it will be coming from directories, website directories. And of course, your article will be a good example as far as how you will be able to get that traffic. And of course, you will be able to see the traffic that you can be getting just from looking at the stats, and that will be from taking a look at the articles itself as far as what your stats could be. Like here's an example here. You see here this one has 10 views so far, but you will also be able to see that people can rate as well. You will be able to see the type of popularity that it has, and in other words, dedication as well, and so forth. You'll be able to see, in other words, very good stats when it comes to your articles and when it comes to the traffic that you're actually getting from this site. So there's a full range of tools that you will find from this website, magnumdirectory.com, and of course it is to make sure that you have every tool and every thing available to you to make sure that you're going to be successful when it comes to doing your marketing. Now also too, you want to keep in mind as well on the other aspect of that range is that if you're a website owner and you're also looking for great material for your website to make sure that your website is updated and to make sure that you have people constantly coming back to your site looking for new material, then of course this would also be a great way to go about doing that as well too, because you will find of course many different articles that you can look at, and of course many different websites of course that you can relate to that has to do with the niche that you're working on. In other words, the field that you might be working on, you can help people by also finding other websites in that field as well too. So as you can see, it can actually go both ways for both the publisher and also the person to that's looking for material as well too. So it can go either way in those aspects. Now, one other thing I wanted to mention as well on this website is that you will also find a forum as well. So also, of course, like many sites out there that are user friendly, you will also see that by going to the forum, you can also get a lot of your questions answered, and of course a lot of help that you will be able to get from the forum as well too. And of course, as you can see from the forum, there are many different aspects you can look at too, as far as news and alerts and updates, general chat. Of course, you can introduce yourself. You can tell about your business as well. You can look at the directory list. You can look at link building, SEO, search engine optimization, of course, social networking, and so forth. So you'll see many different aspects as far as the forum that's going to be able to help you out as well too. So basically, this is a one-stop shop when it comes to getting your traffic and, of course, getting tons of backlinks to your websites and your blogs. And, of course, as well, if you are a website owner and you're looking for new material as well to make sure that your blogs and your websites are updated, this is definitely the right type of spot that you want to be at. And, of course, you want to check back with this website every single day. Of course, also, too, make sure that you bookmark this website so that you easily can come back to this site every single day and look for new materials and so forth. So that's a quick overview, and of course it shows that you will be able to be more successful by using the site on a regular and daily basis. So definitely make sure that you come back to this site on a regular basis, and thanks for watching, and you have a great day.